Hi guys, we're in a survival world. I I just turned created. This is my survival world. This is the armory. Konti lang yung armor ko. Didn't post, I didn't post for a long time. Kasi ito yung storage, mga loot. My horse and my this is my survival world. I didn't forget this, my old house. Oh guys, I destroyed my old house. XP farm. Okay, ship factory. What? What the? My portal is in my house. But I have a glitch. And I'm keep spawning out. Okay. I build this. Survival. All of this is survival. I just in creative mode. And don't forget where my dog. Where's my dog? My dog! Where's my dog? Oh my god. No! Gosh. Come on. Okay, bye guys. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.